Right, welcome. Today we're doing something a bit different. I've been nominated by Gareth and Zoe Wildcamps to do a Show Us Your Steak video. So Show Us Your Steak is something that's been started by Hayes Outdoors, so shout out to him, and it's all about just the sort of outdoor community getting together and showing us the steak on a cooking video in order to raise awareness for men's mental health. All mental health really in general, but we're just focusing on men's at the minute. It's a really important issue, and it's an issue that I've had experience with through friends and family that I'm really close with, and it's really difficult. It's one of them things that you can't see, and when you can't see something, it's very hard to understand it. So this is all about basically just cooking a steak, and then hopefully it gets out there, and it's just another way to help express that it's okay to talk about this situation. It's okay that if you've got issues going off upstairs, then that's fine. I would be really surprised if every single person who even watches this video, or even I go so far as to say the majority of the population of the world, doesn't suffer in some way or another at one point in their life with some form of mental health issue. And that's how big it is, everyone. That's how important it is. So today I'm going to do a fillet steak, and I've just dug a little tiny fire pit here because it only needs to be small. We'll fill all this back in afterwards and cover it up and leave nature to take its course back again. So let's get to it. So I'm actually going to put this on my sort of wild cooking video channel, and then sort of coincide the two. So do a bit of demonstrating on how to cook in the wild, as you've seen so far, and also coincide it with the Show Us Your Steak men's mental health awareness. So I hope that's alright, Hazy, and Gareth and Zoe have nominated me, but why not kill two birds with one stone? So what we've got in this box, bring this up to the camera, that is a 30-day mature fillet steak, and that marinade in there is off a friend of mine, and I've tried and tested it, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So we've got about 50% Worcester sauce, 50% soy sauce, and we've got olive oil, pepper, some rosemary and some French and English mustard. And trust me, it's so juicy and so succulent. Try it, honestly. And then I'm going to do that with some basic char grilled vegetables. So we've got some small sweet peppers, some red and orange. We've got some cauliflower, and we've got a bulgur garlic, a bit of paprika and olive oil, and then some good old Stilton. You can't finish a steak off without a bit of Stilton. So we've just sliced the peppers in half and some thinner slices of cauliflower, and just cut the garlic bulb in half, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of paprika, and then we're just going to put that on the griddle over the heat and just char grill it, and that's all you need to do. There's nothing else. So, time to get this steak on. Oh, this is going to be good. One last dip in its juices. Oh yeah. Some extra garlic there. Now keep that juice, don't get rid of it. Right, I'm just going to give this a flip over. Don't worry, the garlic's going to fall in, I'm not bothered about that. Oh yeah, baby. So the secret is to take the steak off when it's been on both sides, dip it back in the sauce. Yeah, boy. And get that bad boy back on. Oh yeah. Garlic on. Peppers on. Cauliflower on. Leaves on. That are going to be ready in no time at all now. Oh yeah. So a little bit more about mental health. I mean, I'm no expert by any means whatsoever. All I would suggest, like many other people that have done these videos have. It's good to just get it off your chest a little bit. Try and talk about it. Try and find somebody that you really trust, a partner, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, family member. Just get that trust and just try and speak about it. The other thing that I do know works. Bless you. Steak, lay down. Lay down. So the other thing that I do know really does work for mental health is getting outside and getting some fresh air. I've got a very close person that suffered from it, and they personally said to me that just doing something energetic outside, like mountain biking, walking, wild camping, then it just helped them no end, and they really couldn't express how better it made them feel just getting outside and being a bit at one with nature and having time to breathe, having time to take things in and just think about things rationally. So maybe give that a go. Oh yeah. Oh, they're looking good now. A little bit of that rosemary. See over there. Get a bit coming up through. Oh, now that's smelling good. That is smelling good. Ooh, yeah. So that steak, I would say, is definitely done. Probably a little bit over now. Just put it on the edge there. I'll just finish these off. Oh no! Disaster! Dropped a lemon pepper. If you're having a steak, you've always got to have a beer. So I've got no idea how to say it. Grimbergen. Grimbergen, yeah? Grimbergen 1128 blonde. Aldi special. Well, tell you what. That is nice. Strong beer, 6.7%. Oh, that's very nice. Better save a bit for my steak. Ba-da-ba-ba. Yeah, the chopper's coming over. And there's my show us your steak. Fillet steak, Stilton, garlic, rosemary, peppers and char grilled cauliflower, all in a soy sauce marinade. Wicked, man. Let me eat it. Yeah. Oh. Oh, that is nice. What you can do with this garlic, squeeze it and get the juices and the bulbs out like that, and then you can eat that. You just can't kiss anyone for a while. Peppers. Oh. Cauliflower. Yes. Garlic. Oh, how soft that there. For me. Sorry, no manners. Look how soft that were. I mean, that is slightly overdone, but it's still succulent. Honestly, try that. Try that recipe, it's gorgeous. Eat with your fingers. Put me talk in my mouth really, and my mum won't be proud of me. You can eat it with your fingers, it's that succulent and juicy. Oh, bit of a wash down. Right, as part of this video, as part of the Show Us Your Steak video and men's mental health awareness, once you've done the video, we've been told, well, we haven't got to, but that's the idea, is to spread the word. So you're meant to nominate 3 other YouTubers to carry on this type of video and to show us your steak. So my 3 nominations are, and apparently you've got 2 weeks to do this, guys. 2 weeks. I'm sure you'll all cook a steak at home within 2 weeks, so just get outside and do one instead. So my nominations are Dan Bell. I'll put all the links to their videos, to their channels below. So Dan Bell is a Scottish chap he cracks me up. He's got some really good videos out there. Where's the other ones? Right, the other ones was 2 Feet Forward. That's a couple that do some nice sort of wilderness walking. Yeah, I enjoy watching their videos. It's great. I find it really quite relaxing and enjoyable to watch. And the other one is, I don't know if you've already been nominated yet, but this other one's for a local lad in my area. So we'll have Dean Reed. So Dean, come on, I know you know the area well, where I'm from, Chesterfield. Big up Derbyshire. So, excuse me. So come on Dean, get out there. Show us your steak. Boom, out.